Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. One more video on the day. So today what I have for everyone is the final MagSafe accessory for the iPhone 11 or any MagSafe compatible device. So if you have an iPhone 10, iPhone 10R, iPhone 11 with the compatible case, this accessory should work. Or if you have an iPhone 12 or newer series device, this accessory should work. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the SUPERONE MagSafe cup holder car mount for your car. Whew, I almost said the wrong word there. Y'all know I can't talk. But let's unbox this. Let's get into my first impressions and let's do a quick installation guide. And then let's wrap this video up and get the review process started. So jumping straight in, talking about the packaging and presentation, I have to say I kind of really like this. So up front, it's very straightforward. You got some company branding up here. You got a nice picture of the product. So this is a cup holder car mount with MagSafe built in. Okay. Flipping it this way, which is upside down. Geez, I can't get stuff in the right orientation today. But really nice company slogan right here. Nothing on this side. Nothing on this side. Barcode information on the bottom, which again, I'm getting upside down. Boop, right there. Okay. Good stuff there. All right. Nothing on the bottom. And we're good. So very clean, very straightforward presentation right here. Let's crack into this box. Okay, so a nice side opening box here. I'm guessing here's the main unit. Press that down. Then we have all of our booklets. Nothing else in the box. Throw this off to the side. Okay. So, ooh, this is another one that looks like it comes with a magnetic ring. So, if you checked out my videos on this case, or you checked out my videos on this case, or the car mount that I recently took a look at, aside from this cup holder car mount, this is another accessory that comes with a magnetic ring with 3M adhesive. So if your device or your case for your device does not have magnetic material, you can add the magnet via this 3M adhesive. So this is another mount that I can add to any one of my favorite cases and give my favorite cases magnetic or MagSafe capabilities. So good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. Let's throw this off to the side. Okay. Then we got more booklets. And it looks like it comes in multiple languages. So again, it's just saying this is realistically compatible with your iPhone 12 series or newer. But again, if you have the right case, it will work with your older devices. And you can see it does come in multiple languages. So this looks like it's Chinese or Japanese. Okay. Throw that off to the side. And then we got another booklet here. Okay. So this is your warranty booklet. And this looks like it comes with 18 months of warranty. Okay, that you do have to register for within a certain amount of time. And again, this too looks like it comes in multiple languages. All right, let's throw that off to the side. Okay. And here is the main unit itself. Now, this cup holder car mount, I also picked up with the wireless charger. So I'm going to have how much I paid for this thrown up in post, but that price will feature both products together. But if you were wondering how much this would cost independently from the MagSafe wireless charger, Keep in mind the price that I'm about to mention does not factor in the taxes, but for the cup holder MagSafe mount itself, it's going to be $28.99, so $29. Keep in mind that does not factor in the taxes, but here it is. Peeling off this protective tape here. Oh, this looks really good. So this is a fully adjustable MagSafe car mount. So this is very similar to some of the other cup holder car mounts that I've taken a look at before. So you can see it's basically fully adjustable. So this portion goes into the cup holder for your car, and then you should just easily be able to MagSafe your device onto the magnetic portion here and be good to go. So here is one case that I've added the 3M adhesive onto and the magnetic mount, and it should just be able to easily pop, and we're in business. Okay, so you can see it works with this case no problem, and we can pull it off and it comes right off. Let's throw this case down real quick, and then here I have my device inside of the other MagSafe case, and I should be able to easily bop, and we're in business. Okay, so fully adjustable, fully rotatable, and you should be good to go. And man, I gotta tell you guys and gals, I feel as though I'm really going to enjoy this one right here, because this is very similar to the other cup holder car mount that I have in my car, except for this one incorporates MagSafe technology, right? So it's fully adjustable, portrait mode orientation, no problems. Landscape mode orientation, no problems. And then when I'm ready, it pops right off. All right, so good stuff there indeed. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna run out to the car, and I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like all set up in the car, and then we'll wrap up today's video. All right, but to make this a little quicker, as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by, you know what to do. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below in the video description. Down below. And make sure you click off the notification bell right next to it. And if this video piques your interest, all the affiliated buy links and the extended coverage for MagSafe accessories will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using one of the affiliated purchasing links down below, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, everyone, give me a few minutes. I'm going to run out to the car. I'm going to show you how this looks all set up, and then we'll close the video out. I'll be right back in a little bit. Have a good one, everybody. See you in a second. All right, everyone. So now we're back, and I'm in the car, and we have the SUPERONE MagSafe car mount right here. So it's really super duper straightforward. You want to loosen the cup holder portion by going this way. So lefty loosey and then righty tighty. And when you spin it to the right, it opens up. So you can see how it's opening. So now all I have to do is put this in the cup holder and then open it up till it's nice and tight, similar to how this one is. So if we drop this in, and then we just want to start twisting it to the right till it opens up to the point where it gets nice and snug. All right. So I'm just going to keep twisting here. And I want it to be super duper snug, because I don't want my device to move around, especially when I'm hitting bumps on the road. So nice and, okay, nice and tight like that. So it's in there. It's not going nowhere. You can see if I try to move it, my whole cup holder center console moves. That's how you want it. And then you rotate this back around in the position that you want. And this is a gooseneck, so this is fully adjustable. So you can get this exactly how you want it to be. So I'm going to get mine like right there. That looks good. Make sure I have clearance for the shifter right here. Good. I got to go over a little bit. Alright, because when your device goes on it, it's going to take up a little bit more space. So just like that. Perfect. And you can see now I have it on. Right? And then at that point, let me open this up. Just want to open this one. And I have my iPhone 11 with one of the MagSafe cases on it. And now we're good to go. I could just drop it on. Just like that. And now we're good to go. It's beautiful. Then if I want to rotate it, it rotates. So you see I can use it in landscape, right to left. Okay? Or I can use it in portrait, up and down. And you can see I got full access to all of my buttons still. I got full access to my entire device. And you can see it's clear of the shifter, so my hand is not going to bump anything if I need to shift while I drive, going into reverse or what have you. We're good to go. And you can see still got access to all my buttons. My device works perfectly fine. So this is awesome. This is kind of what I was looking for in regards to MagSafe accessories, especially for the car. Y'all know I recently did a video on this one up here. But this is more my speed right here. I like these cup holder car mounts or phone mounts. And with this MagSafe one, I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Okay. So that, guys and gals, concludes today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick unboxing, first impressions, and basically a real quick installation guide of the SUPERONE MagSafe cup holder car mount for your iOS series of devices. And again, technically this is supposed to work on the iPhone 12 and newer, but if you have an iPhone XR, an iPhone XS, an iPhone 11, and you have the appropriate case, then this will work. So essentially, all you need is a MagSafe compatible case for your device, and then this will work. All right? I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. It really helps your boy out. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.